Hi everyone, so we're continuing with our trigonometry CSEC past paper questions. We have some videos out already. I believe this one will be the fourth video. So now let's get the question that we have here. We have a triangle ABC and side AC is labeled as A centimeters. Side BC is labeled as the square root of a squared plus 16, and we want to find the length of AB. Now, if you looked at the previous videos, something that was mentioned over and over is that when we have two sides in a right angle triangle and we want to find the third missing side, we use Pythagoras' theorem. So first, let's label our diagram first. So the side opposite the right angle, this is the right angle here at A, the whole square. Side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. And so we always label our hypotenuse C, and the other two are A and B. Well, since this one is already A here, let's use this as A and B, right? So Pythagoras' theorem states A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So when you square those two sides, when you add them, is equal to C squared. So let's just start putting in our values, right? So, well, A squared, A remains as A squared, right? Plus, we could replace this with the AB, right? So AB all squared is equal to C squared, and C squared is A squared plus 16, and it's all that squared, right? Now, let's work out our question, right? So now, let's just simplify our right-hand side first. So I'm writing back what we had here on the left-hand side. Now, this here is square root of that multiplied by itself, right? And so A squared plus AB all squared, right? AB, that's the side we want to find. Now, when we multiply these two, the square root of the A squared plus 16 times square root of A squared plus 16, when you multiply them, the square root sign, there's no more square root sign, so you're going to remain with A squared plus 16. And then carrying across this here now, AB whole squared is equal to A squared plus 16, that's what we had from before. A squared from the left hand side becomes take away A squared. So you get A, right, AB squared is equal to, now the A squares will cancel, right, because you have A squared, take away A squared, remain with 16. Remember, it's just A, B you want to find, right? And that'll be opposite the square root. My answer is 4. And that's it. Now this question, let's look at it here. It says, a boy stands 12 meters from the foot of the building and observes the angle of elevation of the top of the building. So we have our diagram here. We have our, this is our building here, right? And the boy is standing up here. The boy is 1.6 meters in height. And he is 12 meters away from the building. And the angle of elevation is what they showed here from here, right? That's the 40 degrees there, right? Now, they want us to find the height of the building. Now, the height of the building will be this piece here plus this piece here, right? Now, we know this piece from here to here is the 1.6, right? And here's 12 meters, so here's also 12 meters, right? So let's pull out our triangle. Our right angle triangle. Here's 12 meters. Here's 40 degrees, right? We want to find the height of the building. We know that this little piece here is 1.6, so we need to find that piece here with that forms the triangle there, right? So this here we want to find, right? Let's call this, we can call this x. Now, the side opposite the given angle 40 is called the opposite side. And, well, across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. And here we have the adjacent, right? We went through all of this in the previous video, so you can look back at those videos. Now, we want to find the opposite side. We're given the adjacent. Which rule uses opposite and adjacent? Tan. So, tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So, tan of the given angle 40 is equal to opposite, which is x, over adjacent 12. Remember, I want to find x, so I need to get rid of this division by 12. So that becomes what? 12 times tan 40. That is x, right? So x is, I'll just write it over here, 12. I can remove the multiplication sign, tan 40. But that's not my final answer. I need to add on that 1.6. So the height of the building would be the 1.6 plus what I just found, that 12 tan 40, which is D, right? So take your time, you can pause the video, go back to it, look, right? And I really encourage looking at the previous videos, and they would really help you out in understanding this one a little better if you didn't look at it before.